Hey up everyone, I'm Jamie and thanks for tuning in. In this video I show you the process and tools I used in Fusion 360 to model a lawnmower wheel knob before printing at the 3D printer. I'm no expert at this and I probably took the long road to model it, but it's all about playing around with and learning the software to help you complete your project and by watching instructional videos on YouTube. With that said, if you do have any questions to the processes I took in this video, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer each one. Thanks for watching. Here I'm just sketching out the general shape and extruding it to the height I need. I then use the fillet tool to round over the corners to give it more shape. This part I'm working on will house an M8 nut. I use the shell tool to hollow out the back and leave a 2.5mm thick wall. I then save and export as an STL file which I can open with Cura. Cura is an open source slicing software for 3D printers. It creates a G-code file which the printer reads. You can set up your printer profiles using Cura, but I generally keep them as they are. The nut wouldn't fit here. I could have just used a smaller nut, but I went back into Fusion 360 to refine the shape. I made the hole for the nut ever so slightly bigger and used the fillet tool to round over the edges. I checked for final dimensions and was ready to set up for print again. So that was my quick video on 3D printing a lawnmower wheel knob. I hope you liked it. Now these are cheap enough to buy anyway, they're only about a couple of quid. And in fact, I did actually buy one a while ago and forgot about it. The wife has just found it in a drawer after I printed this one. But the point is, it's just about giving it a go. If you need something making or modelling, you know, you've got to start off somewhere, and that took me a couple of hours in Fusion 360 because I'm not the quickest with it, but like I say, it's all about giving it a go, giving it a try. And it took an hour and 45 to print, which is quicker than delivery for one from a company really. There is actually a file online that you can download for free on Thingiverse if you want one to be that exact shape. This one I've done is slightly different, but nonetheless it works all the same. So there is that option available if you want to just 3D print it yourself, or why not just have a go at modelling it yourself as well. And doesn't matter if you fail, you just try it again, don't you? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd proper appreciate it if you tap that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.